All righty, everyone. Welcome to Scooter Sports Breaks. Tonight is December 7th, 2020. We have three monster breaks tonight. We are starting this night off with something brand new. First ever, never done it before. Upper Deck Hockey Series 1, 2020-2021. Let's go over our starting lineup for tonight. Brian S. with the Rangers. James M. with the Blue Jackets, Jason K. with the Red Wings, Mitchell J. with the Ducks, Coyotes, Hurricanes, Panthers, Kings, Wild, Predators, Penguins, Sharks, and Canucks, Pete B. with the Sabres, William A. with the Avalanche, Oilers, Canadians, Maple Leafs, and Golden Knights. We have Glenn G. with the Bruins, Flames, Blackhawks, Stars, and Devils. And John G. with the Islanders, Senators, Flyers, Blues, and Lightning. All right. I want to remind everyone I ship all cards, anything that is open from your team in this break, you will get. I also want to make a major announcement. I know a lot of people from this break order these teams through eBay. I want to let you know that going forward, we'll be doing all of our breaking through our website. It's a much easier platform to lock in your teams instead of waiting and bidding on them like eBay. Now, for all returning customers, going forward, please enjoy this 20% off coupon for your next order. The coupon code is SSB20. Let me repeat that again, SSB20 for 20% off your next order. All right, we have two more breaks coming this evening, Panini Mosaic Basketball, Panini Illusions Football. We're breaking Panini Prism Draft Picks Basketball Wednesday night, Panini Absolute Football Thursday, Bowman Chrome Baseball Friday, and a Panini Football Mixer on Friday night. Check out our website, scootersportsbreaks.com. Make sure you follow us on Instagram as well. We update that live. All righty, let's get into this action. I'm excited. First ever hockey. Let's get it going here. First box. 10 packs plus one bonus pack. I'm excited here. I'm looking for some young guns. Some rooks. Nice. Let's get this cracking. Let's get this cracking. All right, here we go. Upper Deck Hockey. Upper Deck Hockey. Looks like most of the packs are on this side, so we'll get them from here. Here we go. We have an exclusive pack right there. We're going to save that for the end, along with these packs right here. Box is empty. All right, let's get into this action. I'm excited right here. Let's get into this action. All right, here we go. First pack. Good luck, everybody. We have Sergei Bobrovsky, JT Compher, Phil Kessel, Thomas Hertl, UD Canvas, Connor Hellebuck to the Jets, Zach Kassian, Kirby Doc, and Will Butcher. Very nice. All right, next pack. Here we go. Another Butcher on the back right here. Ryan Ellis, Tuukka Rask, Jeff Carter, Dylan Dubé, Thatcher Demko, Danton Heinen, Zach Sanford, Blake Wheeler. Looking for some young guns. Give us something good here. Go Sabres for Pete. Go Sabres for Pete. Sean Cotier, Jacob Chicherin, Brock Nelson, Colin White, Timo Meyer, Mark Stahl, David Pastrnak, Bo Horvat. Keep it going. Keep it going. Let's go. We're looking for some Young Guns rookie cards. 8 cards per pack. Jake Eichel, Matthew Perelat, Pavel Zacha, Jason Zucker, Drew Doughty, Noah Hannon, Carter Hart, Christian Dorvrek. I'm going to apologize in advance. I'm not the best with pronouncing names, but we're going to try hard here. It looks like we have an insert in this one right here. Jonathan Bernier, William Karlsson, Alex Devencat, Brady Skajay, We have a UD Portraits Cal McR. That looks like a throwback upper deck right there. A little throwback for you. We have a Jean Gabriel Pagou, Nikita Zaitsev, Lars Eller. Sorry, 1 second. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Looking for some rookies. Give us something good here. Nick Dowd, William Nylander, Keith Yandel, Alec Martinez, Young Guns, Morgan Geekie to the Hurricanes. Very nice. Nice young gun right there. That'll get top loaded. John Carlson, Alex Killorn, Mike Riley. Let's get that top load. A little young gun action. A little young gun action. Very nice. Very nice. Going out to the Hurricanes here. We have that going to Mitchell J. Morgan Geekie, Young Guns. Very nice. Pete, I'm trying my best here. I don't know most of these guys, but I'm trying my best. I'm rooting for him. Connor Garland, Flip Zadina, Tavu Taverin. Oh, another Josh Norris going to the centers. UD Portraits rookies right there. Oliver Bertrand, Jordan Binnington, Brandon Carlo. We have a checklist Alex Ovechkin and David Pastrnak. We have a Juice Saros. Oh, it looks like we got some color right here. John Tavares, former Islander. John Gibson. Oh, baby. Dazzlers. Whoop, whoop. Sidney Crosby going out to the Penguins, and that is going to Mitchell J. Tanner Pearson. Zach Parisi. Evgeny Malkin. Dougie Hamilton. Let's get that Dazzlers. That's a good-looking card right now. He is a stud. Let's get this in here. Dazzler. That's what I love to see right there. That was a nice insert by Upper Deck. That's what I like to see. Cool, cool. Good stuff, good stuff. Keep it moving, keep it moving. We got Oscar Clefbaum, Richard Rackle, Shea Weber, Young Guns Connor McMichael going to the Capitals. There we go. We have a Morgan Riley, Frank Vitrano, Nate Schmidt, Alex Golgoski. Gonna get this young gun on the top loader right here. Connor McMichael going to the Capitals. He's a center. We're looking for the good stuff here. We're looking for the good stuff here. Connor McMichael. Very nice. All right. One more pack, and then we got the exclusive pack next. All righty. We got Elvis Marzilkins, Pete Mazurek, Brendan Gallagher, Hampus Lindum, Darcy Cooper, Martin Jones, Philip Forsberg, and Rasmus Dahlin. All right, here we go. The exclusive Upper Deck pack. Let's see what we get in this bad boy. I'm intrigued because that's when I grew up around this era. Oh, we got a couple die cut cards. Gabe Velarde, rookie card. Wow, look at that. That's getting top loaded. Oh, red, Tyler Benson. And Maxim Letnov. Those are very cool cards. Wow. These die cuts will be top loaded. Those are something special, something to see. Let me just get these all in order here. We had a couple UD portraits I would like to top load real quick. That's the first box. A couple rookies, a rookie right there. And Josh Norris going to the Senators. Then we got a Cal McCarr going to the Colorado Avalanche. Then we also have this canvas Connor Hellebuck going to the Jets, the Winnipeg Jets. Interesting right there. All right, I'm going to show these off real quick. I'm going to do a recap at the end. Stay tuned. I will be doing a recap of all the hits that we've gotten from these boxes at the end. These are the 3 cards I'm talking about. A UD Portraits rookie. And a canvas. Breaking into box number 2. Let's get it. Box number 2. 10 packs plus that bonus SD pack. We're going to get, let's see. All right. We got a couple on the other side here. I'm going to go from the other side. All righty. Box is empty. I see the UD exclusive we'll keep right there. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box number 2. Pete, the eBay fee is, if you do buy it on eBay, there is a fee. If you do buy it on the website, it is free going forward. I can message you after the break, and I'll speak to you about it. All right? But would love for you to get on our website next time. I'm going to buy some teams off there, all right? Nazim Kadri, Nikolay Ehlers, Artem Azanov, Blake Coleman, Jeff Petrie, Josh Manson, Carter Hooton, and Neil Ponk. Yeah, usually, Pete, we offer free shipping through the site. I usually offer coupons sometimes. Also have some deals on there. The prices are a little more expensive than eBay, but you get the free shipping, so it kind of evens out a little bit. But going forward, I'll let you know. I'll send you the link, and hopefully we can get you on there soon, all right? Marcus Johansson, Dylan Strome, Adam Fox, Canvas, Jacob Slavin going out to the Hurricanes. Nice. Jordan Eberle, Eric Carlson, Flip Hernick, Jonathan Marchuzielt. Nice. That is a long name right there. All right, looking for some more young guns, looking for something good. Give us a jersey, give us something big. Tyler Seguin, Brayton Boyd, Jake Genso, Alex Ovechkin, Young Guns, Jake Evans going to the Canadians. Very nice. William A. right there. Duncan Keith, Vincent Trocheck, and Mikko Koskinen. All right, let's get that. Young Gun, Jake Evans, center for the Canadians. That is a nice looking card. I'm liking these Young Guns. We're still looking for the big guy. We're still looking for the big guy. Getting that canvas in order. All righty, here we go. And the Young Guns. Getting it in the top loader. We have the canvas and the Young Guns. Very nice. All right, here we go. We have Alex Iafallo, Nick Leddy, Elvis Merzlikins, Pete Mazurek, Darcy Kumper, Martin Jones, Philip Forsberg, Rasmus Dahlin. We might have one of those rookie specials here. Brendan Gallagher, Hampus Lindum, Jack Eichel, Matthew Perold. We have a Patrice Bergeron. Nice. UD Portraits. Drew Doughty, Noah Hannafin, Carter Hart. Pavel Zacha, Jason Zucker, Jonathan Bernier, Young Guns, Connor Ingram going out to Nashville. Mitchell J getting that Young Gun. Nice. Christian Devrek, Jean Gabriel Pagou, Nikita Zaitsev, Lars Eller. Another Young Guns, Connor Ingram. Connor Ingram, goalie going out to Nashville. Then we got the UD Portraits going out to Boston. The Boston Bruins. 2 nice cards right there. Young Guns. We're getting that in there quick. We got the UD Portraits. Young Guns, UD Portraits from the pack before. Very nice cards right there. All right, here we go. We got 4 packs left plus the exclusive pack. We're moving through it. Good luck. Wishing you all luck. We're rooting for you. William Carlson, Alex Debrincat, Brady Skajay, Oscar Clefbaum. Oh, a Chris Kreider canvas for the Rangers. Very nice right there. We have a Morgan Riley, Frank Vitrano, Nate Schmidt. Nice hit for the Rangers right there, but we know what we're looking for the Rangers. We're looking for the big guy, Lafreniere. I like to see him tonight. JT Comfer, Phil Kessel, Thomas Hurdle, Ryan Ellis, Kirby Doc, Will Butcher, Thatcher Demko, and Danton Heinen. Nikita Gusev, Quinn Hughes, Jacob Trouba, Joe Pavlowski, Jacob Sifferberg, Matt Duchene, nice, Aaron Enblad, and Jonas Donsko. Last regular pack. Then we're moving on to, ooh, looks like we might have an insert right here. Looks like we might have something here. I don't know if it's a jersey or something. We'll save it for the end, though. We got an Alex Golowski, Zach Cassian, Richard Piquel, Shea Weber, Sergei Bobrovsky, and a Artem Anisimov jersey, UD jersey, going out to the Ottawa Senators. Whoo, that's a nice card right there. Let's get that. Nice big top loader right there. Nice. Artem Anisimov jersey. Big hit right there. Big hit. Let's get that bad boy in the sleeve. I got an extra big top loader for this bad boy. Artem Anisimov jersey. Very nice hit. Nice hit. We're going to get that Kreider canvas also from the second box in the top loader. Nice Ranger hit right there. Going out to Brian S. UD canvas. Very nice. All righty. Oh, I can't forget this. We have the exclusive pack left. Almost forgot about it. Almost. All right, let's open this. Okay, here we go. We have Mikey Anderson going out to the Kings. Kiefer Bellows going out to the Islanders. And Tyler Benson going out to the Edmonton Oilers. I like those jerseys. Very nice card. All right. Last box of the break. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. We're looking for some extra big hits in here. Extra big hits would be nice for the last box of the night. All righty. Here we go. Let's see. Let's get these packs out of here nice and easy. Good. Nice and easy. Making sure the back stays on. Let's get these right here. One more pack in here. Box is empty, as you can see. All righty. Let's split it here. We're going to put the UD right here. I'm not going to forget about it. Don't worry. All right. Good luck, everyone. Box number 3. We have Dylan Strome, Adam Fox, Tyler Seguin. Let's get a little focus here. Let's get a little focus, guys. Let's get a little focus here. All right, there we go. Braden Point, Young Guns, Alexander Alexeyev, Young Guns. Very nice. We're going to top load that bit. I'm going to wipe this off quick. Alexander Radulov, Blake Lazoit, and Anders Lee going out to the Islanders. Young Guns defenseman for the Washington Capitals, Alexander Alexeyev. Alexander Alexeyev. Very nice card. All right, here we go. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Dmitriev Orlov, Braden Shen, Colin Parapko. Oh, another Young Guns, Dylan Coughlin. Defenseman going to the Golden Knights of Vegas. Going out to William A. Very nice right there. Kaylor Yamamoto, Mitch Marner, Gabriel Landeskog, and John Morrissey. Let's get that bad boy. Dylan Coughlin. Going out to the Vegas Golden Knights. I wonder what the arena is like right now. How that was, especially when they made the Stanley Cup. Always wanted to see an arena in Vegas. Then you got the football team there too. Very nice card right there. Young Guns. All right, here we go. Moving on. Moving on. Jake Gunsel, Alex Ovechkin, Nikita Gusev, Canvas, Young Guns, Josh Norris going out to the Senators. Canvas, nice looking card right there. Alexander Wenberg, Martin Nikas, Jeff Petrie, and Josh Manson. Young Guns, Josh Norris going out to the Senators, canvas style. That is what I like to see right there. Young Guns canvas. Good looking card right there. Good looking card. All right, this one feels pretty thick. Oh, they all feel pretty thick. Oh, we're going to save this one. This one's a hit right here. We're going to save that one. We are going to save that one. This one feels like one too, as a matter of fact. Nope, this is just a regular pack right here. Feels a lot thicker than I thought, though. Alexander Lafleur, Nick Leddy, Elvis Merzlikins, Peter Mazurek, Jordan Eberle, Eric Carlson, Flip Hronik, excuse me, Jonathan, oh, here's that long name again, Marchessault, going out to the Knights. Tried my best with that name. Not the greatest there, but I'm saving that last pack over there, right up on top, because I think it's going to be a hit. Adrian Kempe, John Marino, Riley Smith, Matt Zuccarello. Oh, wow, I didn't even know he was on the Wild. How about that? Connor Brown, Yanni Gordy, Alan Miller, and Jonathan Taos. All right, we have Darnell Nurse, Alex Kerfoot, Nazem Kadri, Nicoe Ehlers, Artemi Panarin, Justin Abelkader, Steven Stamkos for the Lightning, and Patrick Hornquist. Come on, we're still looking for the big hits here. Still looking for the big hits. Don't forget, I am doing a recap at the end. Brendan Gallagher, Hampus Lindholm, Jack Eichel, Young Guns Bowen Byram, defenseman for the Colorado Avalanche. Going out to William A. Nice. Duncan Keith, Vincent Trocheck, Mikko Koskinen, and Jacob Slefsberg. Get this Young Gun in a case right here. That's a nice Young Gun. Going out to William A. Going out to the defenseman Bowen Byram. Very cool. All right, a couple more packs left. Couple more packs left. Good luck. We're pushing for it. We're pushing for something big. Looks like we're going to get one more. Artem Asimonov. Oh, we just got him, by the way. Jersey. Nice. Blake Coleman. Marcus Johansson. Nikita Kucherov for the Lightning, UD Portraits. Ila Samsonov, Kyler Palmieri, JT Miller, and Mika Zibanhead. Wow. That was a brutal pronunciation. He's a Ranger. I know he's good. Oh, we got another UD Portraits. Matthew Peralt, Pavel Zacha, Jason Zucker, Jonathan Bernier. Oh, here he is again. They knew it. They knew I pronounced his name wrong, so they were going to give me another card of him. How about that? Mika Zibanejad. I'm sure that probably wasn't even close. Matt Duchene, Aaron Ekblad, and Jonas Donsky. All right, here we go. Last pack. This looked like it had a hit. Let's check it out. It looks like it could be something. It looks like it could be something. I see something there. All right, let's get that one last again. Carter Hutton, Neil Poink, Quinn Hughes, Jacob Troba, Joe Pavelski, and we have a Ricard Rackle UD game jersey going out to, is this the Anaheim Ducks and Mitchell J. Wow. Very nice card right there. That is a UD jersey right there. Game used jersey. Let's get this bad boy in another top loader. Got one more big one for it. All righty, here we go. Get this bad boy in here. All righty. Ricard Rackle. Very good looking card right there. All right, last pack. We have the exclusive die cut pack. Good luck. Good luck. Timothy Ledrigan to the Maple Leafs. Gabe Velarde to the Kings. And Maxim Letnov to the San Jose Sharks. Very nice. All right, give me 1 minute. Let me get these cards in order. Gonna give it a little recap right here. Exciting, exciting. It was a great time doing hockey. I know I'm not the greatest with pronouncing the names. I tried my best. But we will get a recap, getting them all in order. Here we go. Get the hits, the young guns, the canvases, the jersey, UD portraits. These are some nice cards, man. Canvas. All righty. Here we go. We are going to get this going right now. Right now. We're going to get this going. Fixing that. Here we go. All right, here we go. We're going to start it off with the UD portraits. We have Cale Makar of the Avalanche, Patrice Bergeron of the Bruins, Mika Zibanejad from the Rangers, Nikita Kucherov from the Lightning, Josh Norris, rookies, going to the Senators, Connor Hellebuck going to the Jets, UD Canvas, Jacob Slavin, UD Canvas, going to the Hurricanes, Chris Kreider going to the Rangers. Young Guns, we got Morgan Geekie, Connor McMichael going to the Capitals, Jake Evans, Connor Ingram, Dylan Coughlin, Alexander Alexeyev, Bauer Byram. UD Canvas Young Guns Josh Norris going out to the Senators. Probably my favorite card in the entire 3 boxes. The Dazzlers. Sidney Crosby going out to the Penguins. And now the 2 jersey hits. We had 2 jerseys. Artem Anisimov going to the Senators. And Ricard Raquel going to the Ducks. Very nice. It's been a pleasure. Don't forget, check us out. We have 2 more breaks tonight. Check out our website.